fight COVID-19, NPHCDA Boss wanted Buhari, Osinbanjo and SGF orders to take vaccine in public. The Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHCDA, Faisal Shoudbe, says he will like President Buhari, Vice President Yemi Osinbanjo, the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Boss Mustafa, and other prominent Nigeria to be among the first set to receive the COVID-19 vaccine on live televisions. He made this statement at Thursday briefly on the Presidential Task Force (PTF) on COVID-19. Should be started that taking the vaccine publicly would help drive awareness. He applied to Nigerians not to be insistent on the vaccines when they arrive. The NPHCDA Boss noted that health workers would be prioritized when the vaccines arrive. On Tuesday, I had mentioned that we like to see a situation where Mr. President, the Vice President, and SGF city card leaders come and take the vaccine in full glare of the public to demonstrate that this vaccine is safe, Sahibu said. So we have to make provisions for those. But even in the developed countries, what we have seen in that, apart from the protestations health workers, you have to also identify critical leaders that don't want them to be wiped off by the virus. For example, in warfare, if you want to destroy your enemies, you look for specific leaders, captains, the general. Also, you decapitating them, then the soldiers will become weak. So as much as possible, you do not want to also leave your leaders vulnerable to COVID-19. It doesn't mean you want to privatizing politicians. That is not correct. I emphasized during the latest briefing that we prioritize our health workers because they are the ones in direct contact with cases in isolation until. Yeah, thank you for the news present now. We'll be back. Bye.